both these teams, well, at least for the Grindhouskies, they started a bit shaky the very first game, but the last 2 games, they've been so convincing. But they gave up 1 game, pero last game, they also looked very convincing sa semifinals. They now mean business. Tingnan natin how they'll fare today in this last game.
Nagpasimula po ang ating finals with a Jaime 2-point shot. Wala. He found his state up. He played so well in the semifinals. Laban kay Santillan. Gives it to Ababu. Smart play. That pivot. At kinabala pa kung paano niya tikitan si Pasaon. Isang tiga-UE, isang tiga-UST. Nilaglag kay Santillan. Wala. Kapit ni Jaime. Mapupunta sa corner. Sa kanto nakuha ni Santillan. They've got a fresh shot clock. Monzon taking on Pasaol. Look at him bother the dribble. He goes up. Oh, what a shot by Alvin Pasaol.
Sayang, ganda na nakpick ni Monzon nung una, but Pasaol able to recover, control, balance, take the contact. Ito, a near steal, but when you gamble and you miss, that usually means you get beat. Pasaol scores over State.
Maybe one of the best in throwing a foul because of the extremes.
Right on cue, tamang-tama yung report nga ni Mara. Diba sabi niya, watch out for Pasaol throwing fouls, and he does that right away.
Right on cue. State up with the left hand, and there's a whistle. Laban kay Chico Jaime. Again, Sean Manganti is not playing today para sa Bataan Risers. He was a vital cog sa kanilang dalawang final stint in one championship because he can play defense and offense. But as you said, Chito Jaime has been an able reliever para kay Sean Manganti.
Mas physical maglaro si Chito, mas veterano. But overall, the athleticism of Sean, mas mahaba si Sean. The youth.
Maybe a little more athletic. Pasaol, pupuan sa kanto.
Nice pass. And one.
Stepped on the foot si Alvin Pasaol.
He's asking for a sub. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. This is a game changer. Second straight week. Hala, nakapilok natin dito.
Oo, hindi. Nakulas lang. Talagang nakapilok. Yan ang tapilok. Oo. Pero kahit hindi pa pa.
I think Alvin, I know him. He will try to play through this, but let's see if he can. And again, walang pahinga dito, so that clock is ticking. It's time to recover so short.
Asisio has checked in para kay Pasaol and quickly Statham taking advantage of that mismatch.
He cannot try to steal the ball while the ball is in the paint of the guy passing it out.
Pasaol being taken care of by the medics here. First aid. Tingnan natin kung makakabalik siya. Sabi nga ni Charles, ang laki ng puso nito si Pasaol. Kasi laki ng katawan niya. Ay, may natrasan si Ababu. Goes up. Wala si Pan Statham. Up na tayo. Cross court.
Good pressure by Jaime. Nearly forced the move over.
3 seconds to shoot. Ababu will lift. Will go up. Wala. Offensive rebound and a good shot coming from Monzon.
That counted? Wow, that was very close to a shot clock violation.
Santillan. Now he will have to carry the load inside. Asisio gets away. Beautiful. 1-point lead. Alright, tabla tayo. Morol. Inside pass. Ganda ng entry pass.
Ganda ng pasa, ganda ng seal.
Tama. Asisio. Oh, stepping back for the 2. Yes, sir! Naisahan niya sa skate ng ball.
Look at the mismatch now.
Sa mga pataan ng isa. 6-5. Stayed up. Atake. Na foul. Almost the basket. And Ababu will now check out. Santillan will be called for the foul. Troy Reich is in the game. And it's still very busy with Pasaol.
Kahit na mag-paint either ka, I don't know if tatabla siya agad-agad na instant.
Hindi ganun. Hindi ganun naman.
Kasi mag-aircock siya or ano, matagal-tagal.
He has about 8 minutes to extend the game.
Ito na naman, selling the foul ball. Asisio smart. Yung sinasabi natin kanina pa, di ba? Off a free throw, Asisio, lagi yun na sa corner kasi alam nila that's where they're gonna throw the ball out to. And it's hard for the free throw shooter to close out there. So that's great awareness, a great strategy by Bataan. At the same time, na-remind na nga yung Grindhouse Kings before the game. That's what they like.
Hindi pa nila ginawa yung depensa. Asisio making his first. And Bataan back on top here. Kung oras dito, probably will not roll down to the time. Napipikot na ito ng konti kay Asisio. Gotta keep her cool.
Here comes Pasaol.
All sprain, no sprain, doesn't matter. There's the foul by Monzon.
Good setting job also by Asisio to make sure he gets the ball.
Bola babalik sa panik ng Pasig. Ako, hindi niya iniintay yung pilok na yun. Kasi nagiging psychological, but at this level, talagang natuturuan nila yung sarili nila na offensive foul, laban kay Stata.
Ooh, that's two offensive foul. And 5 team fouls na yung Grindhouse case. Worry nila before the game, the foul drop. Let's see kung makakapitalize ng pataan ito.
Kanilang kinakatakutan, nagkakatotoo. Lamang po ng dalawa ang pataan. But they give it to Pasawal against Wright. Kahit one game, doesn't matter. Still strong as a pull, as an offensive rebound by Santillan. So nakawala sa double team. Ababu, mahina yan. Ang bola lalabas na lamang. Good screening out mula kay Pasawal.
I like that matchup. That's the best matchup. Put Pasol on the right so you can kind of hide him on defense. And then Santillan getting stay calm. Ito, bumalik ka agad si Joshua Monzon para kay Ababu.
Kahapon sila tatatlo. Ito naman si Pasawal. Na double team. Inilabas ka Santillan na sapal. Bola, pupunta kay Asisio. Nagna, 3 seconds to shoot. Na-drive si Asisio. Wow! Nakalusap!
Asisio and Monzon fighting at each other. It's getting physical.
Very physical. Stata, he gets away. That by Asisio. He goes up and it's good. 7-10 ang ating talaan. Lamang po ang pataan ng tatlo.
Oh,
Turnover. And Monzon is complaining to the referee.
nakalmot siya. Medyo may slight putok na siya. So, nagka-tangle up sila dyan.
Ayan, ayan. Oh,
Medyo nakalmot siya ni Asisio.
walang tinawag dyan, ha? Here's Monzon. Bobbles a bit. Tough shot. Right. Offensive rebound. Malakas against a foul. Laban kay Pasawal.
That's what Troy Wright gives you. He works hard, just goes for the rebound every time.
Right now, we'll turn it over to Mara Aquino for a report on Alvin Pasawal.
Ang tindi talaga ni Alvin Pasawal kanina when they were trying to have him point his left ankle. They were trying to have his toes pointed. Halos hindi niya magawa at sinigaw niya sobrang sakit. I asked him what the pain tolerance was, having a 10 out of 10. Pero tumingin siya sa akin, babalik ako. At ayan nga, nakabalik na siya sa court. Ano sa niya?
Grabe, 10 out of 10, Mara. At lalago pa rin ito. Eh ako, 6 out of 10 o 5 out of 10 na yung ko lang tumayo.
Yung kay Makati last week, di ba 7 out of 10 ba sabi niya?
Parang gano'n,
oh,
last week.
Ito 10. But look at Ababu.
Hanging in the air, and he gets the foul. And one. And ang Pasig, bumabalik po dito. Dahil tabla na ni Dylan. Sa 10 ang ating talaan. Asisio, lulusot na naman. Talaga namang ginagamit ang katawan. Ano? Galing, kalaro na si Asisio.
That's really been his strength, diba? He's a shooter, he's a smart player, showing us a different aspect of his game. Good box out also.
No whistle on the drive by Monzon. Santillan, inilabas kay Asisio. Titira siya ng dos. Wala. This is gonna be close.
Oh, he hasn't cleared it, did he? Oh, that's gonna be
Foul. I thought I heard a whistle.
ang intense eh.
Very intense right now. Very physical. No inch given here.
Asisio gets subbed out. I thought he played great
Ganda.
off the bench. Ganda ng contributions niya.
Hindi siya na nagpapadaig sa depensa. Hindi rin siya nahihirapan sila sa opensa niya. Pasawal inside. Look at that. How tough Alvin Pasawal is. Huh? He curls to his left. Then he leans to his right. Just drawing the foul. Almost a basket.
It's such a tough matchup for anybody.
See all those moves underneath.
Si Troy Wright na kanina 6'7", 6'8", pinupostehan niya. Ngayon nakita niya si Monzon, pinupostehan ko rin.
About 6'3".
Yeah, maybe. I think
6'3", 20.
yeah,
Up to 20 to 25.
good defense. Pero ito, will be challenged defensively.
Sa shot zone, rebound sa kanyang kapuntan sa foul. Laban kay Pasawal. That is the 15th foul na pataan ng Pasig at 6. And that'll send Monzon to the line.
Now, Pasol knew that was his mistake. Kasi, hindi siya nag-box
Siya
out.
nag-box out. At ang always ang pinakamagaling mag-offensive rebound is shooter. Alam niya kung
This
natatakot.
is-
Sayang yun. They need all the points that they can get. Santillan, pinopostehan si Wright. Banging bodies. He goes up and under and a good move from Santillan.
That's why I'm saying he has some post game. Meron naman sa post game right na paano. Okay, this will go to Bataan.
Again, lumalayo na naman dito ang Bataan. Remember, they won the first time they met. They lost the second time in a close one. And here they come again.
Got 2 free throws if there's a foul again. Hands by Josh Munzon. 7 seconds left on the shot clock.
4:42 in the game clock. Next foul para sa Pasig will mean a penalty. Almost a turnover. Almost binalik niya. Pinasa sa taas. Naagal. Good tap and a foul. Laban kay Troy Wright.
In the nick of time. Nakadalawang deflections pa yung Grindhouse in that possession. In 7 seconds, nakakuha pa na foul.
Ito ang problema. Dalawa na ang free throw na ibibigay. Dahil dyan po, 17 foul ng Grindhouse Kings Pasig. On the 10th, it will mean 2 free throws plus ball possession. Ang bigat na penalty yan. Of course, there are no personal fouls and no one will be disqualified in terms of personal fouls. Jaime takes the first. The second is in. And it's a 5-point lead para sa Bataan. They are pulling away here. Ababu will have nothing of it. And a foul by Pasaol.
Okay, Marindianan there answering, giving him a chance for 2 points also.
Yes.
This possession.
Nakataw talaga. Wala sa amin. Hilan, walang tawagan ng foul, ha? Sige.
This is really a big boy game. Men, game for men. This 3x3 style of play.
It's a 2-point play. Lead is down to 3. Santillan goes up. There was right to the top of it. Stayed up. Wide open for a 2. Malakas. Rebound, tinapit, balik sa kanya. One more time. Same spot. Same result. Tap again by Ababu. Mapupunta kay ball fake. Wala pa rin. And this time, the tap by Santillan will go out. It will remain with the white shirts of Pasig.
Josh Munzon coming back to the game.
Hindi pumapasok ang 2-point shooting ng Pasig.
There's 2 open looks for Stayham, huh? Siyempre, finals and pleasures.
Nice fake. Nilabas na naman. Sa kaso naman. Wala pa rin. Libre.
Foul yun. And it's a foul. Not only is it a delay of game, foul tinawag, ha? Foul ba? Free throws yun.
Alam mo, Monsones lost his number here in this game. He's losing the battle of the wits here.
He's normally been very composed, considering he's taken a brunt of hits a lot of times the first 2 legs. I mean, we've seen him get hit worse than the way he's getting hit right now. But ito medyo nakaprustrate siya namin.
Frustrate siya, bumabawi siya, yung nakahapon na.
Kasi diba, the previous weeks, hindi naman siya bumabawi. No. I think Asisio may have started getting into his head a little bit.
2 free throws from Jaime. The lead is back up to 5. Monzon, titira ng 2. Yes, sir. Let's see, there's a turnover here. Yes, sir. May turnover sa pagkakataon dito ng Pasig, ha?
Wow, that's a crucial
Oh. Meron na naman bangga. Delay of game yan.
warning pa lang. I see Jaime having some words with Munzon.
Dylan called out the play here. Signal green. Let's see what that means. Siya pala yung tungkol.
Illegal screen, hindi na kailangan ang sakit.
Blocking. Offensive foul.
That's the 4th offensive foul of Grindhouse. Third or 4th at least.
Too many unnecessary moves on the part of the Grindhouse Kings passing there. Just the bump by Stayham kay Pasaol.
I didn't think he needed to do that kasi ang layo na ni Pasaol kay Ababu.
May-help siya, no? Akala niya na mapasok si Stayham. And now, ang Grindhouse Kings passing will have to dig deep. Dig deep.
I think they're checking now sa fouls. Nasabi nila Pasaol, 9 na. Pero yung offensive ata hindi kinount ng referees doon.
Watch the way Asisio has played here in the finals. He has been big off the bench. Talaga namang siya rin ang nagpalaki ng lamang. Santillan, dapat yung state up. The other side.
Favorite move.
Lead is now up to 4. 2-point shot. Wala. Rebound. Pasaol loses that. Goes to Chito Jaime. No foul. Pasaol drive. Strong to the hole. Wala. Rebound ni Munzon. No one, both Ababu and Pasaol down on the floor. Tumira sa labas si Stayham. And ang bola lalabas na lamang. They have been very off from the two-point shot.
Their shots just apat na na-miss ni State in a row, di ba?
Almost in the same spot.
That's one thing Chito Jaime brings. He's older than Mangati. He's tougher. Physical maglaro. He's also getting into the heads of his Grindhouse squad.
Yan. Wala. Rebound. Oh! That's a hard ball by Monzon off a rebound. Hindi sinasadya. It's just a battle up in the air. That will be the 17th foul ng Risers. Monzon will go to the line now for 2 free throws. Plus, at 2 free throws lamang. Okay. Ito ulit. Bitawan niya yung kanyang landing.
Nakahawak kumapit si Paso. Mas malambot yung rubber sa kahoy.
Eh,
Sa semento sa ilan.
o tsaka medyo ano yan, matalas ng konti eh. Matalas ng konti.
Sakit rin. There you see in the forehead, may little blood see. Very small from the scratch of Aziz earlier.
Very important free throws here. Kung na pumasok, he can cut this down to a one-possession game. And he does. 18-16, it will go down the wire again. What else do we expect from these two teams?
Uy!
There's the pass. Naagaw ni Monzon. Opportunity para naagaw din eh. Ni Pasaol. That's a bad pass by Monzon. Telegraph. Santillan, he has played big here. Difficult shot. Lumusok ang bola kay Wright. Mapupunta kay Santillan. He takes a two. No! Rebound nakukuha ni Monzon.
Uh-oh. Ababo open.
A lot of time. 2:21. Monzon for two. Mahina yan. Rebound nakuha ni Dylan. And he slips. Gives it to Monzon. The court is beginning to become very slippery dahil sa pawis niya, kakabaksak. Here's Monzon with the left hand. Wala. Rebound ni Chito Jaime. Referees are allowing them to play here.
Don't foul if you're the Grindhouse King. That's gonna be your 10. And
Traveling ang tinawag kay Alvin Pasaol. Dahil iniwas na ni Monzon yung kanyang katawan eh. Pasaol naman was expecting na haharap siya. He will already fall even before the body hits him. So now an opportunity for passing to tie this game or to come close. Statham inside, no. Rebound. Picked up by Snow. A bad decision on the part of Chito Jaime. It's allowed by the refs. So sa nalamang ang lamang ng Bataan. Pasaol na agaw ni Monzon from behind. Opportunity to take the lead or to tie inside. Difficult shot, no. Rebound. And napunta kay Monzon. He bounces inside. Napunta kay Statham and it's good. And another steal. 18-all. Ababu. Oh my God. What a turn of events here, Charles.
that's 3 straight turnovers para sa
Yes.
Bataan.
Wala. Kapit. Napunta kay Pasaol. Sabi ni Asisio na nakaupo. Settle down, boys. Settle down. There's the drive. Another foul and that will be
Ayan,
2 free throws.
And possession. 10
Plus
team.
possession. Ang bigat niyang foul na yan. Dapat pinabayaan na lang niya, no?
Ito yung save, oh. Great save.
And then yung bounce pass niya, pasa sa loob. Ang ganda, no? But that may be all for nothing kung Pasaol will make these 2 free throws plus possession. Now the important thing here is for the Grindhouse Kings passing to make sure that they're able to defend, to have a chance to come closer. No matter how close it has been, we've never had an overtime in the finals, so could be interesting.
Might not get there in this possession.
Totoo. Less than a minute remaining. 2 teams na naglaban po sa first 2 legs natin sa finals. Back in the grind. Back in the hunt. And ang Bataan gustong makabawi doon sa pagkatalo nila sa second leg. Passing, trying to keep the crowd. Here's Pasaol. No!
He's still relaxed. Doesn't need to rush this.
Pangalawa. That's good.
Now, if you're, be careful if you're the Grindhouse Kings, be careful dito sa pag-check. Pwede tumira ng 3 points, pero
And be careful about the foul. Dahil kung that drive lang naman, ibigay mo na, di ba?
Huwag ka na susundot.
There's a shot, and that will go in. So now, it's 20-18 with 48 seconds to go. Narito si Dylan, baseline. Naku, mukhang nag-bakbaka pero pumasok. Pasaol! He has the ball, no foul. They cannot afford to foul. Kung ikaw ay passing inside to Santillan, laban kay Monzon. He thinks it's a mismatch. He will go inside. Inside shot, wala. Tapik pa rin, wala pa rin. Bola na punta kay Monzon.
Watch out for the 3 ball.
Here's a 2 ball for the win! No! Rebound is Santillan. 21 seconds to go. Nagaw ni Monzon. Here's the 2 ball for the win! No! Monzon! 12 seconds to go for the win again! Wala pa rin!
Oh, and this is gonna go to
Alam mo kasi, why they could have just forced it. Of course, they were trying for the win.
Or get the foul, right?
Or get the
Two free
foul,
throws.
yes.
Wow.
Now, pwede nang ubusin ang oras.
What a finish. Just hold the ball now.
Yeah, pwede nang ubusin. No need for a shot here. Santillan will hold on to the ball. That's our time. And he will run out the clock. Monzon trying to steal. And there's the foul. Wala na. Because of that, 2 free throws plus possession. And minalas lang ang passing. They had 3 opportunities to win this one.
To even put themselves in that position to have a chance to win. Grabe kasi Bataan looked like they were in control twice in this game. And then the Grindhouses made their comeback. They tied the game. Grabe, nag-force sila ng turnover, sunod-sunod. Pero ito, Santillan with a chance to just put this game away.
And this is the first one. Only a second remaining. They will have possession. So,
It won't matter kasi pag bola pa rin nila eh.
anti-climactic, ika nga. But just for formality here, Santillan will give them the victory of a charity in another close finals game between these two arch rivals. Two of the best teams in the 3x3. And today at Nagwagi po, muling babalik sa tuktok ang 1 Bataan Risers.
What a game. This was a championship match. Yung rivalry nga na sinasabi natin, andito na talaga. It's real.
Alam mo, hindi mo masisisi sila kung silang dalawa lagi na sa finals because they have the best talent here. And now, the challenge to the other teams is magpalakas kayo because you've seen how these two teams play. It's now up to you to reach the benchmark of the 3x3 competition. Anton Asisio, siyang nagpalaki ng lamang. He played so well inside and outside, played defense, went straight to the body, and he is our Chooks to Go Manok ng Bayan best player of the game. And right now, he is with Marak. Marak?
From Bataan Risers, kasama ko ang ating best player of the game, Anton Asisio. Congratulations! Talagang kitang-kita na every finals is getting more aggressive. But earlier, bodies were falling. How do you feel about the physicality that's been being exchanged?
It was more physical today compared to the past 2 legs, but I guess that's how it's supposed to be played here. So it was a good challenge for us.
Now, next leg, the 4th leg, is going to be happening next Saturday at SM Mega Mall. What are you anticipating for the next coming games?
I just expect the competitors to be tougher. You know, the physicality to be higher.
Job well done. Congratulations. Let's turn it over again to Nolly and Charles.
Thank you very much, Mara. Congratulations kay Anton Asisio and Charles. It has been a very physical 3rd leg.
Wow, yeah, very physical, very intense, but great basketball action again. A great championship game between the two champions so far because they've won every 3 legs. So this was a quality game.
A quality finals indeed and a quality league. Makasaysayang ika nga liga ng Chooks to Go Pilipinas 3x3. Ang ating kampiyon, ang 1 Bataan Risers rising to the top and in prayer.